Hi, welcome to this ebuilding tutorial. In this video we'll show you the main features of the menu of tags. When you open your model in ebuilding, you will also see the list of Mattertags created in your Matterport model. If you have associated a color to each Mattertag, you can see it in this list. In the menu of tags, you can turn on or off the display of Mattertags in your model. When you browse the model, you can at any time activate a window with the map view and use all the features of Google Maps without ever leaving the model. If you want to search for a specific tag in the list, you can use the color filter to show only some kind of tags, or you can search for it directly in the search box by typing the name of tag. Now you can manage the tags of your model directly in ebuilding and have everything under control.